Are you filming? Please say you're filming. Okay, we're filming. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a full face of knockoff makeup. So I've got heaps of stuff here. And yeah, basically I'm just going to put it on my face. And before we get started, I just want to say that I don't recommend using products like this because we don't know what are actually in the ingredient. So let's just get started. Okay, so we're going to start with this Fenty Beauty by Rihanna foundation. Okay, this is what it looks like. I got it in the shade 150. It kind of looks a bit light. Oh, we'll see. Before I'll prime my face with this CoverGirl True Blend Face Primer. I'll just put that on real quick. Okay, I'm just going to use this brush and just put it on my face. It honestly smells like a dessert, like vanilla or chocolate or something. It's kind of weird. As I'm going, I will put the price of all the fake products of the price that I paid for them, because it's like ridiculously cheap, which is how you know that they're fake. So I'll do that. Okay, I'm finished with that. I'm just going to say a few things. It's definitely too light for my skin tone. It's tacky. It's got a weird smell. It doesn't blend very well, and it kind of is stinging my skin. So I don't think that's supposed to happen. Yeah, so we're just going to keep going, and we're going to move on with concealer. So for concealer, I got this Tarte Shape Tape concealer in the shade Light. So I'm just going to put that on my pimples, which I have a few of right now, under my eyes and just any problem areas. It smells like spray and wipe, like cleaning product. Oh wow, it's a weird formula. It's like cream, like a, yeah. Okay, and I'm just going to blend that in with this Eco Tools sponge brush thing. It's definitely little to no coverage, like I can see everything that I'm trying to cover. So okay, so now that I'm looking like a ghost, we're going to move on to powder. So for powder, I got this Ben Nye Luxury powder, and I'm just going to apply this with this fluffy powder brush. Oh my gosh, that just went everywhere. So I'm just going to put some of that into the cat. Not all over the floor. Oh my god. Okay, we're just gonna make a mess and then use the product. Okay, so okay, so I'm not quite sure how much that product went on my face and how much went on the floor. I mean, it definitely made my face more matte, but it also definitely looks a bit yellow. So yeah, we're just gonna go with that. Okay, so now for bronzer, I picked up this Betty Luminizer bronzer. So we shall see. Looks like this. It's got a mirror, And so I'm just going to use this fluffy brush and just put it on my cheekbones and around where sun naturally gets on your face. Oh my goodness me. It's definitely pigmented. Yeah. It doesn't really like blend very well, so I put it here and like it doesn't really want to blend out. Okay, well that's that done. Okay, so next we're going to go on with eyebrows. So for eyebrows I got this Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Blonde, but I didn't order in blonde, but I got blonde. So we're gonna see how this goes. I've got this eyebrow brush right here, and I'm just gonna do my eyebrows. I mean, the product is alright, it feels alright. The colour's not my colour, but I got it in blonde, so that could be why. So I'm just going to move right along onto eyeshadow. So for eyeshadow, I got this Huda Beauty palette in warm brown. So it looks like this on the inside, and it has a mirror also. So I'm just going to take this eyeshadow brush and I'm going to start with this brown colour here. It doesn't have names of the colours, so I'm just going to take this brown colour here and put it all over my lid. Okay, so the pigment's not bright, but if you can see the kickback, like how much that comes, yeah, that's not the best, but I mean, it goes on the eye, okay? Okay, so now I've got the base colour done. I'm going to move on to this middle shimmer shade here and put it like on the outside and blend it into the middle. So I'll just do that. So now I'm going to take this purpley colour up here and put it in like the inner corner. Okay, now I'm going to use this colour here and put it in my inner corner. So I'm going to take a smaller brush, this one, and just put that in my inner corner. So this one doesn't have much pigment. So I'm going to take this brown colour here again and take it under my lash line here. Okay, now for the next thing, I have picked up this Kylie Jenner mascara. I mean, I don't think she even has a mascara, but I found this and it says Kylie and it's clearly like the same design, so I picked it up anyway. Ooh, so this is the packaging. It's like weird. This is the, oh, did you see that? Wow, okay. So I'm just going to apply that. Okay, so it seems like it's hard for my eyelash to pick up the product on the brush. I don't know why. Ow! Okay, that's the mascara done. Yeah, it doesn't really do much except for coat my lashes. It doesn't lift them or make them fuller or anything like that. But I mean, and like this is ridiculous. Like, what is this? And it smells like it could be a perfume. Great. Oh my goodness. Okay, we've got 2 more things to do. I've got a Anastasia Beverly Hills Illuminator for my highlight. And I've got this Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in the shade Celebrity Skin. So I think we'll do the highlight first, and that's the product. It looks pretty. We'll see, won't we? I've just got this highlight brush and I'm just going to put it on my cheekbones. It doesn't, it's not doing a lot. It's not doing much for me. And I'll put that on my eyebrow bone as well. I might actually blend that to my eyeshadow. Yeah, see, it's not doing much, is it? There we go. Okay, so last thing, the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick. So this is the shade I got it in. The applicator is interesting. I think that's the same, or nearly the same as the actual product. This colour, I'm not quite sure how this would look on me, but we'll give it a try anyway. Okay, I'm not quite sure about this lip colour with this eyeshadow look, and it's already getting my teeth, and the consistency of it is a bit tacky also, like you can see my lips just sticking together. Also, like, the coverage isn't the best, but I'll put on another coat, see if that makes it any better. Okay, the coverage is a bit better, but the consistency is not the best, and the like applicator, I don't know what it is about it, but it like makes it hard to apply, and like, yeah, I don't know, it could just be me. So that's my full face of knockoff makeup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, I would love if you would subscribe and give it a thumbs up. And yeah, bye guys.